Hey, K-drama fans! Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of Korean language and culture. Today we're diving into 50 essential Korean words and phrases that will help you understand your favorite dramas better. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned K-drama enthusiast, this guide is for you. You know how it is? You're watching your favorite K-drama, totally engrossed in the storyline, and then, BAM! A phrase pops up that leaves you scratching your head. They hit you with a phrase you don't understand. It's like a plot twist you didn't see coming. It's like the subtitles disappeared just to mess with you. Well, fret no more. We've got you covered. This video is your one-stop shop to learn some key Korean phrases that'll have you impressing your friends and understanding those K-dramas like a pro. Imagine the joy of catching every nuance and witty remark. We're talking about those common greetings, those heartfelt confessions, and even those sassy comebacks that make K-dramas so entertaining. You'll be speaking like your favorite characters in no time. So buckle up, grab your kimchi and ramen, because what's a K-drama marathon without snacks? And let's get this language learning party started. Get ready to dive deep into the heart of Korean culture. Don't worry, I promise it'll be more fun than a game of cham 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 after a few shots of soju. Let's get started. Your K-drama experience is about to get a whole lot richer. First up, the most common greeting in Korean, 안녕하세요. It's like saying hello but with a Korean twist. Need to thank your friend for that delicious kimchi jjigae? 감사합니다 is the way to go. It's a formal way to express your gratitude. Get ready for those heart-fluttering moments. 사랑해요 means I love you, and trust me, you'll be hearing it a lot in those romantic dramas. Chapter 4. Messed up big time? 미안합니다 is your go-to phrase for a sincere apology. It's the formal way to say I'm sorry. Chapter 5. Someone looking down after spilling their bibimbap? Comfort them with a reassuring 괜찮아요, meaning it's okay. Chapter 6. Simple but essential, 네 means yes, short, sweet, and to the point. Chapter 7. Just as important as yes, 아니요 means no. Master these two and you're well on your way. Chapter 8. Curious about something? 뭐 means what and is your key to unlocking answers. Chapter 9. Need to know the reason behind that plot twist? 왜, meaning why, will help you get to the bottom of things. Chapter 10. Yodi, Yodi. Where? Lost in translation, Yodi means where and will help you navigate the world of K-dramas. Chapter 11. 잘 지내세요? 잘 지내세요? How have you been? Be polite and check in on your favorite characters with 잘 지내세요, meaning how have you been? This phrase is perfect for reconnecting with friends and family in a warm, respectful way. Chapter 12. 이제요 뭐예요? 이제요 뭐예요? What is this? New dish on screen got you curious? 이제요 뭐예요 is how you ask what is this? Chapter 13. Shopping spree in Myeongdong? 이얼마예요 will help you haggle like a pro. It means how much is it? Chapter 14. Character about to do something dramatic? Ask 어디 가요, which means, where are you going? Chapter 15. Found a new favorite drama? Shout 좋아요, which means I like it. Chapter 16. Second lead syndrome getting you down? Express your displeasure with Sureo, meaning I don't like it. Chapter 17. Show you care K-drama style by asking Mio Giosioyo, which means did you eat? Chapter 18. All that drama making your stomach rumble? Declare 배고파요, meaning I'm hungry. Late night K-drama marathon got you feeling drowsy? Admit jolly-oyo, meaning I'm sleepy. Plot getting thicker than kimchi jjigae? Exclaim Museum Rio, meaning what's going on? That plot twist got you shook? Express your surprise with jinjayo, meaning really? Can't believe what you're seeing? Question it with 정말, meaning seriously? Something so unbelievable it can't be true? Blurt out 말도 안 돼, meaning that's impossible. Lost in the sea of subtitles? Confessi Haga and Dueo, meaning I don't understand. Calm your anxious heart and reassure yourself with Gyeokjong Haji Maseo, meaning don't worry. See a character about to make a bad decision? Warn them with Josim Hayo, meaning be careful. Character finally confessed their feelings? Cheer them on with Yalhesioyo, meaning good job. Time to celebrate. Chukahamnida means congratulations and is perfect for those happy K-drama endings. Ready for the next episode? Rally your K-drama buddies with Gaja, meaning let's go. Plot twist got you both stumped? Confide in your friend with Nato Moleo, meaning I don't know either. Feeling the K-drama warmth? Express your joy with Heng Bakayo, meaning I'm happy. That antagonist pushing your buttons? Let out your frustration with Hwana Seoyo, meaning I'm angry. Tears flowing freely during that heartbreaking scene? Let it all out with Sulpyoyo, meaning I'm sad. Horror K-drama got you hiding behind your blanket? Scream Musawoyo, meaning I'm scared. Missing your favorite characters after finishing a drama? Sai Bogo Sipeoyo, meaning I miss you. Time to say goodnight to the K-drama world. Wish them Jal Jayo, meaning goodnight. Kumeseobwayo, Kumesobwayo, see you in my dreams. Hoping to dream of your oppas. Whisper Kumesobwayo, meaning see you in my dreams. Yalduesnio, Yalduenio, that's great, everything working out for the best? Express your relief with Yalduenio, meaning that's great. Yotiokeyo, Yotiokayo, what should I do? Facing a K-drama dilemma? Seek guidance with Yotiokeyo, meaning what should I do? Gwenkanha, Nega Isioyo, Gwenchana, Nega Isioyo. It's okay, I'm here. Offer comfort and support with Gwenchana, Nega Isioyo, meaning it's okay, I'm here. Daybak, awesome! Something truly amazing just happened! Exclaim Daybak, meaning awesome! Who waiting? Fighting, cheer up. Give your bias all the encouragement with waiting. A versatile cheer meaning fighting, or you can do it. Appa, the word that launched 1,000 ships, used by females to address older brothers or more commonly, boyfriends. Iani is how females address older sisters or close female friends. Sisterhood goals, K-drama style. Hyung is how males show respect to older brothers or close male friends. Bromance is strong in this one. Nuna is how males address older sisters or close female friends. Nuna romances anyone? Victory dance time. Celebrate with a joyous asa, meaning hooray. Something truly impressive deserves a resounding jang, meaning amazing. Appa looking extra fine in that suit. Compliment him with Miosita, meaning cool. From adorable puppies to charming leads, Guiopta, meaning cute, is a must-know word. And that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed this session and found it helpful. Practice these words and phrases regularly, and you'll be able to enjoy your favorite K-dramas even more. Imagine understanding every line and joke. It'll be like you've unlocked a secret level of K-drama understanding, making your viewing experience so much richer. You'll be catching all the nuances, all the double meanings, and maybe even predicting the plot twists before they happen. How cool is that? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more language tips and K-drama content. Your support means a lot to us. Because let's be real, you can never have too much K-drama in your life. See you next time. Keep watching